coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican. I coulda America or I coulda England. Man, yeah, man. So I coulda never forget where me come from. No matter where me do, me a born Jamaican. I coulda Canada or I coulda Thailand. Man, yeah. Original yard man. Advanced like internet broadband. All over the world, the girls them want one. Them see the hard man and act, so we so strong. We mix up the roads, now one of we got tan. Well militant man a Spanish Tonian.
Yes, people. Blessings and salutations to y'all. Welcome again to another episode of Life of King. Yeah. You know, but before we go into the story, as usual, we just want to take time out to remind you all that though there may be some things that are shared that might sound some little way, we at Xpressionz JA do not in any way or form endorse, support, or put up with any form of unlawfulness and these things. It is about pure edutainment. And by sharing this story, if I can just help one person not make some of the foolish decisions I have made, then it would have all been worth it. You see? So, once again, we really appreciate y'all, those who have been on the journey with us. You know, invite you in your private space from time to time. And we're not even at age. Welcome again, right into the story. Life of King continues. We take a sip of my bourbon. Yeah, people. So you can remember last time we talked about stadium and thing, and you see, and it's an interesting place. And I want to share one independent story we don't know. You see me? Cause you know, there was an independence. I don't remember if it was Jamaica 21, but there was an independence celebration. That there was a cake erected in the national arena. And when I say cake, people, it's a stage, was the cake stand. So just imagine. The cake, no more in your average room. You understand? It's a hell of a cake. Being youths, as usual, from over Swallowfield, we never do nothing more than make a nice little way into the people in nice arena. And from under the stage, we gained access to the cake because we don't want to blemish the outside. It will look nice, you understand? Yeah. And I can remember when the cake cut, there were some like tunnels in the cake. You know, like rats, some super-sized rat did run up and down through the cake. The cake will cut up the share for everybody, and then granny will come a grand Gala. If I want to toop say you like it. Oh God. So I feel you them undermine the whole cake. And make it look like one thing where them used to have, I think them have one up a whoop yard, they call a maze. So, you know, the tunnel is running randomly, you know, because everybody are trying to cash out for them own section of cake for carry up. And that we did all that hungry, you know, people. No, we never all that hungry. Because we come from poor families, poor background, but no matter what, we always could have find something, but you know, rude, terrible, and just bad way. You understand? And the heights of carelessness when we keep up on the people, them beautiful grand Gala cake. Eh? And not to mention that, you know, people, let me tell you something. You see, as it regards the grand Gala, let me tell you, I collected some money, I think that's very day, for the stadium side of the thing. Where, you know, the big show, the float, everything are going up this one. Remember, you know, people, these things are free events. For those who don't know, Grand Gala generally is free to the public. It's just because of the security reasons and the fire hazards why they print tickets. So to just contain the proper amount in the stadium, which is around about 35,000-40,000, I don't remember. But anyway, I remember I collect different people for going to the stadium and people, and I busy I collect. And like me telling you before, me I sell space in all the line. Cause when I fly me 3-star and not normal, me and my back friend them, and I'll be a loud mouth and push people in the line. But you know what the trouble was? Just as the Grand Gala was about to start, people, me say a piece of rain come down. Man, I've done nothing nice. And now the rain come down and people still try to get into the stadium. But my dilemma was the people their money when me having in my pocket. Because lo and behold, the show was postponed. And let me tell you something, people. Me say people back at me like, whoa, forget back them money and me carry them around, so I carry them around, so I carry them around, so and me start to pay off some. But by the time I get to about the third person for refund, some way them did give me. You understand? Because it can't be all anyway. You don't know nothing to work that way there, you understand? And me realize now, say, 2 people come up in the crowd now when me sure know say me never get the money from. Me sure them 2 men me never get the money. But me find out say it was 2 men that was cut from the same cloth like myself. Even though me never know them. So that tell me one thing. So me need to take with my body or I will definitely be in serious trouble that day, because guess what? No care how you good, somebody are gonna come say them they give you money whenever they get the give you none and probably get, and somebody when they forgive you, nah, you're not gonna have for them to give them back. Plus me not in the business of giving back that time anyway. Come on now, there's no profit in giving back. You understand? So all I had to do was just a little boom. And I hand one of the man of money. And by the time I hand him, I make my way out of the crowd. So by the time I just a boom. And I just take up a few bills. I just whoops. And make it drop. Accidentally. You'll feel know what I mean. And people, you see, by the time they fly down upon it, hello, sir. Me just lift clutch. And make me tell you, me no ease up. Me just go and press gas straight cross. The road go straight cross over in the place. And go straight in my house. And go in the bathroom, go and check off my little change. Me go sleep. Because me no want to see them again for that the day, people. Because let me tell you something, and not normal. It's a nice place, you know, but it's a place where you could lose life or limb and even your freedom, because a lot of times, a lot of us go there and end up in jail. You know? Me have a brother, you know, him not there no more. But remember one day, him get a briefcase of money at National Stadium. Don't ask me how, I can't explain that now. And him said, Bell, look here, Mr. And the man just a boom. By the time we look, the whole of the Philistines were up on us. You know, the boys in blue. So, he had was to start take away his body. But because I don't have nothing now, we kind of dress away when we are going to do certain things where, you know, to not attract undue attention, if you will. Yes, so, you know what I mean? We kind of drift for watch this show. And the man jump the gully, go down Stadium Garden, run, go down all the way down at a Children's Hospital fence, you know, because you know, Stadium Garden is aligned with Children's Hospital. Anyway, following the police and the crowd, I go down there now. When me look, the man go down there, go buck up on a security at the fence to go over Children's, which was him escape. Now, would you believe that the security decides, even when the man show him the money, the security, that was a good security still, you know. A good security is a pity them to make them no more. But him decides him don't want $1, the police have to come take him. And when the police then come in, people, let me tell you something. You know the money share up right in front of the little security and him don't get $1. I know him don't say thanks. And the man gone to jail, me charge it. And him they run about 9 months from man, you know. Yeah, but him still come on road because through the money done did share up. There were no, you know, evidence in the case against him, and I don't think the people that lost the money came forward anyway, whether by choice or them just couldn't bother, or, You know, it was not their thing. I don't want to speculate. But just to show you, say stadium, I want a place where, let me tell you something, it no normal people. There was a long time now when next thing come a stadium called the Coney Islands. Hey! The Coney Island come which part? Them have now stadium, the indoor sports center. That was Stadium Eastfield, I think, or Stadium Westfield. And it was a open field and them erect the Coney Island in there with some ratchet rides.
Forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican. I could America or I could England. Man, yeah, man. So I could never forget where me come from. No matter where me do, me a born Jamaican. I could Canada or I could Thailand. Man, yeah. Original yard man. Advanced like internet broadband. All over the world, the girls them want one. Them see the hard man and act, so we so strong. We mix up the roads, now one of we got tan. Well militant man a Spanish Tonian. We no run back a Paul and Malistonian. Chlorine